Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Testing. Hello, Pauline, you are here. Okay. Let me just type whether you can see my message or not. Hi, Pauline. Sorry. It's Pauline. Okay. All right. So I think there are a few people here. Okay, I'm just testing out a new live stream platform over here lah. So I mean that I don't expect a lot of people will be here. So just to check, are you able to see on YouTube as well? So just want to make a test also. Anyway, I wanted to see you can chat about the market. Anything you want to ask me, I can also talk on the market right now. But this is really just a testing ground for me. Can you hear me loud and clear? Can you hear me loud and clear? Okay. So let me check the YouTube. Seems quite okay to me. Hello, Eugene. Hello, Eugene. Hello, Tarun. You guys are not working, is it? You guys are not working, is it? Maybe I can do some sharing. Let me try to do some sharing over here. I'm not sure whether you guys are still around. Try to do a screen share. Entire screen over here. Show on stream. Okay, I can. It is actually very similar to my previous streaming platform over here. Was Tarun said, show on stream and try to show on stream. Was wondering why you were broadcasting, thought someone got assassinated. Yeah, because I don't want to try out on the actual live stream, because this is it is more on a real battleground. This is more of a testing ground. Anyway, for the Nasdaq over here, so as I mentioned last week, okay, last Friday, price had a rebound over here and came back down towards the end of the day. And yesterday, the market also came down also. So as I mentioned last Friday, we are very near to the volume profile area already. So the red dotted line here and this second red dotted line. So the first red dotted line is actually 14,770. So let's see whether tonight the price will actually hit there or not. Okay, and then but want to share with you guys that even though yesterday the Nasdaq was down, the the Nasdaq equal weight wasn't down so much, and in fact, the small cap and mid cap was still holding the ground pretty well over here. So market was not that weak yesterday. It's just that the big mega cap was very weak only. Okay, and and I also talked about sugar last Friday, right? We talked about sugar last Friday, and wow, yesterday I posted in the Telegram channel as well. Sugar had another leg down yesterday, so I exited sugar yesterday. How many of you actually? How many of you actually? Trade sugar? How many of you actually trade sugar? Let me, cannot see my screen over here. Like that be better. Oops. Is it better? Hello, Christopher. Hello, Christopher. I'm just testing a new live stream over here. Okay. Sugar is actually not a very common tool over here. Okay. as in asset class, some CFD provider, they do have sugar. So I use that to trade sugar. And looking on gold, gold over here. So last week I also mentioned that actually gold towards the end of the June, so late June and end of June, which is coming real soon. Okay, seasonally, gold it is actually not too bad. It is a bad, it's a bullish one. So I'm looking for some rebounding in gold in the coming week or so. And if you actually look on the 2-day time frame, right? This is the 2-day time frame. Gold it is still pretty much on a uptrend. Okay, ever since it has broken above the cloud here, another high, and then came back down to the cloud level on the 2-day time frame. So I'm looking to see whether gold can go higher or not. Another one that I'm watching closely is the palladium. Palladium, yeah, even though it looks very bearish right now, yeah, but some of the precious metal, seasonals wise, right, end of June, they are quite bullish. Okay, they are based on historical data. End of June, they normally tend to have a upside buy. So I'm looking on gold and palladium as well. So yeah, if you can understand what I'm trying to say on this, just type yes in the comments. I will really appreciate that. Uh, okay. The platform, the comments is blocking me to type the thing. Okay, so yeah. Yes, okay. Hey, Mark, you are here also. Okay, you all no need to work. Okay, yes, I think I roughly know the this live stream platform. So I will see whether I will use it on this Friday or not. Okay. So yeah, so I think any question, are you testing this new platform? Yes, I'm testing this new platform. I'm testing this new platform. Yeah. Hi, Tommy. Since I think there are about 13 people live right now. Okay, so any question you want to ask me or not? Any question to ask me before I just end this live stream over here? I just logged in already. This platform does make screen much larger. Is it? The previous one I'm using StreamYard, it looks okay as well. But actually StreamYard, in fact, seems minimalist lah, easier to use. Yeah. Any question? Any question you ask me or not before I end this session? So I have some time. Just want to answer any question you have in mind regarding commodities, the indices and such. Okay. I think this is the best chance to ask me. Right. And for those who haven't bought the seasonal vantage, right? So until this coming Friday, so I would encourage you guys to purchase it. Yeah, to be honest, it is really not expensive lah. Okay, if you haven't bought it, one single trade, most likely you lose more than $100. So the stocks and the ETF seasonal vantage, okay, with the coupon code discount, it is only about $100 plus only. So it is one single trade will make back all the money over here. So Mark is asking, right, do you think silver will bounce up to like gold? Yes, most likely, if the precious metal do bounce up, then silver has the potential chance to bounce up as well. So the precious metal, I think you can take a look at that. Again, you have to wait for the price action as well lah. Okay, all right. David Cham is asking, how far do you see the market correction going on? So yesterday, David, yesterday, as I mentioned yesterday, even though the indices, like QQQ came down quite a bit, so it closed at the low over here. But as I mentioned, the equal weight S&P, okay, it wasn't down so much, okay. Of course, it was weaker compared to the normal Nasdaq. Yeah, in fact, the mid cap, small cap, they are also bullish lah. So a bit mixed reaction yesterday, but all in all, I believe there will be more downside to come. So if you actually watch my last week live stream, right, as I mentioned, I'm looking at these two level, 14,770 for the Nasdaq 100 futures. So the first level of support at this level. So if price come down to have a bounce over here, might have a bounce, but I think there will be more further correction. So I believe there will be another leg down like this. Okay, I believe so. So um if you watch Larry Williams' video, he mentioned that the correction will last about 1 month. So all in all, don't be so anxious to go long. Expect correction to last about 1 month until about mid July like that. Okay, we'll see how the price action goes. So nobody knows. Nobody knows. We just have to see and watch the market internals and such. And if you actually look at the VVIX ratio over here, right? This is the VVIX ratio. So it hit the level 7 reading marking. So typically when it hit reading 7 somewhere around there, it tends to be a correction level, and it has since started to come down as well. So I'm looking for more downside as well. So I hope that answer your question. So I think, yeah, I'm just testing the platform. I think all is good. I think the voice, later I'll check out the platform also, the voice of my recording. So yeah, thank you so much. Okay, have a good afternoon, and see you guys again this coming Friday. Thank you. Bye bye.